Battlefield 6 in the list of running apps. Make sure it isn't muted, and that the volume level is set to 100%. Also, check that the correct output device, your headset or speakers, is selected from the drop-down list. Once that's done, close the game bar and test the audio in your game. Step 2. Open the Windows Volume Mixer. Next, right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. Make sure Battlefield 6 isn't muted and that the volume slider is turned up. While you're there, double-check that the correct playback device is selected, not your monitor or another unused output. Step 3. Verify your default audio device. Sometimes Windows switches your default device automatically. To check, right-click the speaker icon again and choose Sound Settings. Under Output, make sure your preferred speaker or headset is selected. Click Test Sound to confirm it's working. If everything sounds fine, relaunch Battlefield 6 and see if the audio issue is gone. Step 4. Restart the game and your computer. If the issue continues, close Battlefield 6 completely and then reopen it. If there's still no sound or it's distorted, restart your PC. A simple reboot can refresh your audio drivers and fix minor glitches causing static, crackling, or muffled sound. Step 5. Change the audio sample rate. In Windows Search, type Control Panel and open it. Go to Hardware and Sound, then click Sound. Select your active speaker or headset and open Properties. Go to the Advanced tab. Under Default Format, select 24-bit 48,000 Hz Studio Quality. Click Apply, then OK. If it's already off, toggle it on and off again just to refresh the setting. Step 8. Disable using audio devices. Too many enabled audio devices can confuse Battlefield 6. Open the Sound Control Panel and go to the Playback tab. Right-click and disable any devices you're not using, such as voice meter or virtual audio cables. Keep only your main headset or speaker enabled. Do the same in the Recording tab for microphones. Then open Device Manager, expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, and disable any unused audio devices there as well. Step 9. Turn off hands-free telephony. Bluetooth headsets can sometimes activate phone mode, which causes poor or crackling sound. To fix it, press Windows and R on your keyboard, then type Ctrl+MMSys.cpl sounds and press Enter. In the Playback tab, right-click your Bluetooth headset and select Properties. Go to the Services tab and uncheck Hands-Free Telephony. Click Apply, then OK. Restart Battlefield 6 and check the audio again. Step 10. Repair or vary game files. If none of these steps worked, your Battlefield 6 game files might be corrupted. If you're using the EA app, open your game library, click Manage, and select Repair. If you're on Steam, right-click Battlefield 6, choose Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish, then relaunch the game. Conclusion. That's it. One of these methods should fix your Battlefield 6 sound or audio issues, whether it's no sound, muffled dialogue, or that annoying crackling and popping noise. If this video helped you out, give it a like, comment below with which step worked for you, and subscribe to Error Genie for more easy, step-by-step gaming and PC fix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smooth, crystal clear sound in Battlefield 6 once again.